are you doing, Nathaniel?
We're trying to build a shell.
Are you building a shell?
Yeah.
A shell wolf? Shell wolf.
There.
Good job.
Yeah. Big helpers.
My little helpers.
Who are big helpers? Yeah? Okay.
Does it go right there, Oliver?
He's going to do the bottom one.
Shell wolf.
Shell wolves. Shell wolves.
Okay, do you want to do the next one now?
Okay, what you doing?
No. We got to do all the little ones. And then we'll do the big one. Okay?
Okay. What? This one first?
Yep, you need to go hold it on the other side, like just like this one, but right here. Okay? Let me get it all lined up for you. So it needs to go like that. Can you hold it for me?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'll hold it.
Yep, hold it straight. Good job. Now Daddy's got to do the bottom one.
Is this the bottom one?
No, it's just another fastener, another screw to hold it all together.